A PIL has been filed by the Federation of Medical and Sales Representative Association of India in the Supreme Court, stating that Dolo has invested 1,000 crores in freebies to have its anti-fever drug prescribed to patients. As per reports, manufacturers of the paracetamol drug Dolo, which became popular as a drug during the COVID-19 pandemic, have spent over 1,000 crores as freebies on doctors, a body of medical representative told the Supreme Court on Thursday. Further in the case, senior advocate Sanjay Parekh, appearing for the Federation of Medical and Sales Representative Association of India, told the bench that over 1,000 crore freebies have been given by the Dolo company for the 650 mg formulation. The doctors were prescribing an irrational dose combination, the lawyer said. He cited from the Central Board of Direct Taxes as the source of his information. Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, who was heading the bench also comprising Justice A.S. Bopanna, said, "What are you saying is not music to my ears. This is exactly what I had when I had COVID." The PIL by the Federation of Medical and Sales Representatives Association of India has raised concerns about the control of drug formulations and prices of the medicines being sold in India. The bench of Justices D.Y. Chandrachud and A.S. Bopanna, after hearing submissions by Sanjay Parekh, observed that it was a serious issue. The medical body sought directions to give statutory backings to the UCPMP. That means Uniform Code of Pharmaceuticals Marketing Practices. The court has now asked the centre to file its response to the PIL within a week and will hear the matter again after 10 days.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.